Wow.
Wow.
We have a mirror. Dang, it's clean.
It's really nice, actually.
Our kitchen, I'm obsessed with it. Like, the pendants just gave it a whole nother vibe of like cozy. I don't even know, but I'm obsessed with my kitchen so far. We have our hardware picked out, needs to get installed. We're still waiting on our upper cabinets. Our sink, you guys, our faucet is so beautiful. I can't wait to like remove all this paper and wash the floors and vacuum everything. Here's our master bath. We still have to install this faucet here, apply the hardware. We installed our LED mirror. I freaking love it. Here is our curbless shower, so it just kind of slopes down. And then we're gonna have a glass door eventually. And then our bidet toilet is also getting installed today. The earthy tones really make it cozy and relaxing. Very, very happy with how our bathroom turned out. This is the process we were dreading, prepping though, to paint our doors. But yeah, once this is done, we can pretty much tear out all the paper. We moved over our fridge. I brought over my coffee machine to make my morning coffee because I'm tired of going out to coffee shops every morning. But yeah, this is kind of what our house looks like right now. Good morning, you guys. Everything is coming together. We're still waiting on our upper kitchen cabinets and a few little minor like details, but today is very exciting because we are getting our closets installed. My husband and I, we wanted to do like drawers, and I went to IKEA. I ordered ourselves some closets, where we're getting that installed today, which means I can finally organize our clothes and we're not going to be living out of our suitcases. I just love the lighting in this house. Like, this is the morning light. It's about 9:30 right now. Our dining room lamp pendant arrived, so we got that installed. I didn't want this to stand out too much just because I feel like our pendants are pretty bold, so I feel like these kind of complement each other. We went to Costco yesterday, got some fruits. Here's my coffee. It looks delicious. This is like the perfect photos in the morning because you get that morning light. I love it. Our fridge is here. Everything works. I'm obsessed with this feature in the Samsung fridge with the water, because filling up my Stanley Cup always took so long if I just use something like this, but this pitcher auto-fills, which is amazing. Here's just a quick little overview. I'm going to do a more formal introduction to our kitchen, but our oven range, love this thing so much. We're still waiting on our hood vent. My husband got me flowers yesterday. These are so pretty. I'm obsessed. I love my vase. I got it from World Market and it was only $15. How do you feel? 3 words to describe the feeling of being in this house and like being moved in.
Still got a lot of work.
That's 4 words.
We got our doors installed.
Feels good. Yesterday I washed our floors already, so like our floors were disgusting. I have to like wash them 3 more times to actually feel like comfortable, because right now we're just still wearing our slippers and shoes around the house.
We still need to buy vents.
Yeah,
We
just
need to
little
like
buttons.
wash all this gunk off the old windows. We have a pet bee right there I trapped yesterday. It's still alive. Nice.
So what did you do? Hello everybody, today is officially moving day where we're deep cleaning the house. My mom is vacuuming right now. She came over to help me deep clean and wipe all the drawers and vanities and everything, and then we're gonna move everything in, organize, as well as move in our furniture, which was sitting out on the trailer on our driveway for a week and a half, ever since we pretty much moved in here. So this is our current situation. We just had lunch here, so it's kind of messy, but we're cleaning the kitchen last. We're first tackling all the bedrooms and the office area, but we want to organize the pantry here. we're going to organize all our drawers. We just got these installed yesterday. But yeah, I have like my spice rack here. Mom is helping me clean. Mom, say, for my YouTube video, we're wiping down the windows and the windowsills and everything. Here's our bathroom. Still need to install our doorknobs. Still going strong. It's like, what time is it already? Sergi's wiping the windows. We're doing a full on deep clean in this house. My mom came over and she just helped a ton. Thanks, Mom. We fully brought in all our furniture from the trailer. I'm still going to rearrange this probably like 10 more times. This is kind of what we have so far. We just have like random snacks, pantry stuff. We have our microwave in here, more stuff up there. We were supposed to install these pull out these slide out drawers, but it's like pulling out, and then this thing is still in the way, which is kind of annoying. But we're gonna get somebody to come out and help us. This guy who's doing all our finish work in the house, he is super good at this and doing it, so he does it fast. So we're just gonna wait for him to install our drawers. I'm kind of putting random stuff wherever because still waiting on our upper cabinets. But here I put like our cups and plates for easy access. Wait, what's down here? Oh yeah, tea stuff down here. I love these wide drawers. Like, I just love them so much. All our utensils and yeah, all that fun stuff. And then here we just have our pots and pans. So yeah, and then here we have our utensils, our amazing mirrors here. It didn't fit in our apartment. It didn't fit in our apartment, but it fits in our master now. We have our closet here. This is mine and Sergi's clothes. We literally don't even have that many clothes. Like, these are all my clothes here that I hang up. And this is all empty hangers, literally. That's it. So that's great. I love all these added drawers we got from IKEA. They're just like the pull out super wide, deep drawers that make a huge difference when it comes to organizing. So this is my beauty room. Here we have my dresser here. I have to organize my wedding dress. Oh, it's so beautiful. I opened it today and I looked into it and I'm like, oh, I can't wait to put it on when I'm not pregnant. Hopefully I can still fit in it.